Hello, hello. So it is time for a Dollar Tree haul, and boy, are they stocking up on the Halloween items, because I think last weekend was the deadline, so everything is out. And of course, they had the witch hats out, so I was really surprised. But I also found this witch frame. Now, to be honest with you, I don't know if I like it. I haven't decided if I wanted to do one of these wreaths, because I think that this is more the perfect size. And this one, I'm not real sure. I'm almost wondering if maybe we can't do some kind of a Christmas tree out of this instead. So I'll keep you posted on that. But they have these and they have these. So they have both of those out again. Then, of course, they have the flowers, the roses, with the eyeballs. So I got a few of those. Let's see. And every Dollar Tree has something different. So I thought I had more of the flowers. I don't see them here. But I did get these. And they have every store is different. So some stores you're going to find one, and some stores you're going to find a lot. They have these cute little bags, these treat bags. They have these, I think, in a few styles, but these are cute for trick-or-treating. I got one of these because we have a new project coming up, so I hope to share that with all of you. I got one of these skull because I have an idea. I think it's kind of funny and cute, and it will be coming up soon. While you're crafting, you need to have a little champagne or bubbly, and I thought this was really fun. These lights just came out, and if you saw my video last week, this is our next project, which is the house. Now, these are hard to come by too, but what I'm going to do when I do the project, I'm hoping by tomorrow night or Monday night it will post. I'm going to give you the measurements for this, so what you can do is you can get a piece of foam board, and you can take, and make a triangle at the top, and then whatever distance here, so you can make your own, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do to make that. So I thought these little lights might be kind of cute to put behind the windows for the ghosts, because here's the door. So I have a lot of fun ideas, but these are something new that just came out. The little ghost. Then I got a pack of eyeballs because I have a few ideas that we're going to be doing. So you want to get a pack of eyeballs. They come in a few different colors. If you by chance find these eyeballs, these ones I got at Dollar General, but these are really great for a few projects that we're going to do. So if you find these at Family Dollar or Dollar General, pick a pack up. Try Family Dollar. They might have them there. And the reason is they have a flat surface. So you can do a lot with these when you want to make, I'm going to do a spell book with Dollar Tree supplies. So this will be something that will be really easy to do rather than taking a regular eyeball and having to cut it in half. So try to pick those up if you find them. They do have the boxes out again. So these I just saw at one of the new Dollar Trees that is in Hickory Hills on 95th. They have the little coffin boxes. These, again, I picked up a few more. You want to pick some of these up because, of course, we can strip it down and we can make Santa faces and use this as a Christmas template when we take off the tinsel. So you want to get a few of these. We have these, which I can't find everywhere. One store had them in a little bucket on top of a kiosk, and I noticed the little legs sticking out. So, of course, we can take the legs off, and we can even use them on our witch house, maybe them sticking out. So you want to get the little witch legs. I got the little hat because we've been looking for these. Again, you can do something with this for Christmas, so we can take this off and we can put little tulle or maybe little feather boa or something. So you can always do something with the hat, and you can turn it upside down and you can do other fun things with it. So you want to make sure you get the witch hat. Let's see what else I have. Oh, I thought these were really fun. They're little ice trays. But I have an idea that I'm working on, and I do have a few projects coming up. So you can get this little candy tray. You can melt white chocolate in it and then pop out the little body parts. So I thought that was really cute. This was at Dollar Tree as well. And then I have a few items for Christmas because I don't like to mix my Dollar Tree hauls up, but I got this because this is the paint. It's pretty big. I think it'll be more than enough to cover our house. But our house is going to be kind of big, so I'm going to show you all of that. So I did get this paint. This one was in the arts and crafts section on the end cap. And then I thought these were really, really cute. These are the shapes for Christmas. We can do a lot with these. We can do a different painting. We can come up with a lot of fun things for these templates. And gingerbread men have always, always, always been my favorite. So I was surprised to see him, and I had to get one of him. But keep in mind, a lot of people say they can't find different things. So what I do is I save things like this as a template, because you can easily just put this on foam board. They're about the same thickness, and you'll have the shape, whether it's white or anything else, and as long as you prep it before you paint it, you should be able to use it and duplicate it so that you'll have them and not have to worry about finding these. So the other thing I wanted to mention is I am adding t-shirts to Serendipity's closet. So I'll have a lot of holiday shirts. I'll have a lot of fun. This is the Hocus Pocus sisters, and I got this t-shirt. I have a lot of others coming up, so you will have to like Facebook Serendipity's Closet, and you'll be updated. But I'll also post on YouTube when everything becomes available on my website. Okay, so these are going to be up this week sometime, and it's going to be while supplies last. So make sure that you subscribe and like my Facebook page. You can find me there. I know a lot of people try to find me, especially if I'm missing for some time. That is the place that I'm always at, is on Facebook. So we have some projects coming up, and make sure that you come and see me really, really soon, either here or on Facebook, and we will see what's coming up next. Bye now.